Here I am, as usual, with no real idea of what I want to create. I could use a template, but often I like to build a design from scratch. Starting this project from the home page, I chose social media, Pinterest, and Pinterest post create from scratch. On this moody, rainy day, I searched elements, design assets for Halloween to build up this page. Often the next stage would be to duplicate this design for other sizes. But what if I want to build a completely different page, but within the same project? I can go to the Add button in the top right-hand corner, and clicking it presents me with a few options. I can add a new page with the same size, change to a custom size, duplicate this page with all its contents, and add time to this page if I want to add animation. I want a new page with no contents, and I'll keep it the same size. I can now build a completely different design on this page. To view my first design, I can use the left arrow to go back, and naturally, I can use the right arrow to go forward to the new page. To view all the pages in a project, click the numbers in the little squares here on the top right, next to the zoom view. In this window, we can also add new pages with the plus icon. That will add a new blank page of the same size. Clicking the plus icon on the top left will give us the option of a same size page or a new custom size page. I'll change it to 1080 square. The double plus icon is where you can duplicate the page and all its contents. If I go back to the original page to select it and click the double plus icon, I get an exact copy of that page. Selecting a page gives it a blue border to identify it, and I can also delete the page with the trash icon. Notice that when a page is selected, there are also 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. Clicking the dots gives me 2 options: to delete or to duplicate the page with its contents, as it's the double plus icon. To select multiple pages and perform the same command, hover the mouse over the top left-hand corner of the page thumbnail and click. To select all pages, click the check marks at the top left. The delete option is unavailable because we can't have a project with no pages at all, but we can use the double plus icon to duplicate the pages, which gives us 1 copy of the full design and 1 blank page. This window is also where you can rearrange the order of the pages by dragging and dropping. Look for the solid blue line between the pages to show you where your selected page will move to. To return to the project window, either click the small X at the top right or double-click one of the pages that you want to view.